your shit, I put it on a chokehold. See these rappers Dominican, you know the word is Stockholm. Pose it like Dominican, it's steady in my profile. Bet I'm overconfident, I'm tripping on some do I gotta lie when I'm calling you now? It's a bogus and corny and phony and whack. Will I never die with a hands in the back of the face and a drag every once of my steps? 7 I find you now, east side on the back, peace side that I'm stepped on. 6 feet deep that I'm Teflon, laid outside, get a strip song. Blue light pass by you, better play dumb, say none. What you know about? Streets full of science, we sleep to the sounds of the army that rides, the click click blouse, the frying and bombing and innocence. Like, yeah, what you know about? Young kids with the AKs for the dream to be free from the chains of the man. Now we're heavier the pants, the dreams don't fly. She told me stop throwing 2 Glocks in the air, baby, that's not for deuces. Hey, that's what they want us to do, to be why you ain't like a doofus. You follow the rules that they tell you to shoot, you can pull no excuses. Hey, fuck it, we the ones who run this town. We outside up, we outside, we outside, we outside up, we outside, we outside.